Hey guys, welcome back to McArthur Industries. We're here at Sandgate Auto Electrics and Automotive. So one of the things we get sort of spoken about a lot is the touring vehicles with rooftop tents and scenarios. So we've gone through and we're starting to partner with the Bundutop scenario where they've got awnings, all sorts of different stuff out there, and love to, which we'll put in tag in this video, these guys of what their products are so you can go down and have a look at it. But we thought we'd just show you today the Bundutop rooftop camper. This is the king size one. So we'll get Sam, we'll get up there and have a look inside of it and also work. Just reminding you that this is a 12-volt electrical unit, so it's automatic, goes up and down. While we're doing this, I'll do a couple of inserts. I'll get Sam to come and have a look at it with me to show you the up and down sequence. Also in the conversation, lights internally, fans internally, and all set up to go in that sector. It's already pre-wired with Anderson plugs externally, and also an Anderson plug for solar to be fitted to the roof. So all this sort of stuff that's probably people don't think about, but it's already pre-wired into these units, which we'll go through and take photos to show you. So what I'll do now is I'll get Sam to come and show you, and I'll show you the up and down function of this unit here. So guys, like we're speaking about, just the up and down function and the rooftop camper, and as you can see, it's got an awning here. It's approximately about 300 out, which some people always sort of go, oh, how far does that go out? It's approximately about 300, and it's probably coming down about the same 300. As we go for it on that side of things, we've just got a test plug on here at the moment. We're going to wire this one up and just fitted it on here. So we're going to go down and you'll see this go down and the ease of use as it comes down and the way it packs up internally to get that sorted. So if you need any of this sort of product, just come down and see us. We're here to look after it for you and get yourself sorted. So have a great day and speak to you soon. Bye.